Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on BSV or Bitcoin Satoshi Vision. Wanted to do a quick video on that. It's been bullish again, or at least it was bullish yesterday afternoon. In the end, I think the last time I covered BSV, I'm not sure what I said anymore, but what I think I said is that I did expect us to go up higher. And correct me if I'm wrong, but I also said that if $85 breaks, that then it was more likely we would drop. So I think I was wrong because $85, the $85 level broke, but there was still great support here at 80. I'm not sure what I said, but all right, BSV is still bullish. I don't think I was far off, but I'll leave that up to you. You are the judge in that. But then yesterday we got some bullish momentum again, also for Bitcoin Cash in general. I mean, it's kind of the thing I have with this is that it's kind of difficult to understand. I mean, if you look at BSV right now, the moves also in open interest are just weird. Like we have these big spikes up and then drops down and then spike up and down, and then we have a little bit of accumulation of money in open positions on BSV right now. Just in general, I mean, if you fundamentally think about it, Bitcoin has been very, very bullish. BSV and Bitcoin Cash have not been that bullish. So now that the bullish momentum is going away from Bitcoin a bit because it has been very bullish, but now the ETF approval date is getting close. Investors could be looking at options that are close to Bitcoin, but that are not Bitcoin. So that's BSV, BCH, but also Ethereum and its layer 2s. So that's the way you could look at it. What you could also do is you could take a look at where the volume is coming from, and you could call this blatant manipulation. All right. Because if you look at where the volume is coming from, what you'll see is that like more than 80% is coming from shady exchanges. So that's the truth. All right. It's not pretty, but that's, yeah, I mean, BSV is definitely partially manipulated, but it doesn't matter. I mean, that was also the case when we were very bullish on Thursday. So, can we still continue going up here? And I think the quick answer is yes, because there's absolutely no reason why we could not. The more difficult question though is will we? Because BSV, like I said, I mean, we had a big drop. It's manipulated, so at some point of time it's going to crash pretty hard. That's what it did last time as well when it was quite bullish. So that was, if I can look that up. That was right here. We're quite bullish, and then we started dropping quite severely. Had some big sell-offs, so that's what I expect from these moves as well. But that doesn't necessarily have to be right now. I mean, the markets are way more bullish right now, and the open interest is still bullish. It's still going up. So I'm fairly neutral on BSV right now, actually, and that makes me think that we should just look at it in the most technical way possible. And that is that our main support level right now is this level around $94, which we just also broke above yesterday. And our main resistance level is here around 105, but let's say 108 to have a little bit of wiggle room. And we just have to wait for a breakout, right? Because then we have confirmation. That's the best way to go about this, because like I said, I mean, there's reason to be bullish on BSV. If you look at the open interest, it's still increasing. If you think about it, then there's also a reason why people would invest in BSV. But then there are also reasons to think why it's bearish, right? Because there's a lot of shady volume coming in to BSV. The open interest, look, it's going up, but we've also seen in the past that an open interest that's going up for BSV also means we're about to crash with it. All right, so that's why I'm telling you, it's just waiting for a breakout below 94, which looks a bit more likely given the momentum that we're seeing right now, or a breakout above 108. That's what we're waiting for, all right? And with a breakout, what I mean is a break below, so a candle close below and then a retest, all right? That's a breakout. If we break down below 94, it's probably over and we'll drop down to 80 and 75 at first. And if we're able to break above still, which is very much possible, if we're able to break above 108, then we're going up to 120 and potentially higher. All right. But those are the two scenarios from here. If I would have to give you my most likely scenario, I would say a bearish breakout is more likely given the market circumstances right now. So those are my thoughts. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.